Hey guys, welcome back to Skid Happens. Now, this is an exciting episode. We've got a new project. Your bed. On your bed. Bed. Shadow. Bed. Good boy. Now before we get started on showing you what this project is, which I'm actually sitting in at the moment, you might spot a couple of pink bits in the back and you might recognize the seat. Very excited about this project, been wanting to do one for quite a while. Let me explain to you why it is that we've got a new project. Straight after the first episode where you saw the 350Z that we had, we sold it. Unfortunately, we didn't get to finish it the way we wanted to, but at the same time, we didn't get to show you what we were doing on the car from the beginning all the way to the end. So we're quite excited to be able to move on to a project where we can show you everything from picking the car up, talking through the car, building the car, testing the car, and then deciding what we're going to do with it, depending on obviously the outcome of the project. But before we could go pick up this project, we had to install a winch on our trailer. Final bit's done and dusted, so I've tidied up all the wiring, fitted the main backup switch over there, and we've even connected the remote control. The winch nicely mounted and secure. Tidied up the wiring. That's the main control box, and then you've got the remote control box on the end over there, just cable tied, and then wiring running up over here for now, all the way up. The main switch just screwed in over there. We'll use the in button, and you'll see it put the car in. And then we've got the remote over here, so got to push the button in, turn it on, and then we'll use the in button, and there it is, putting the car in. Job done. That wiring over there will be tidied up, probably be lengthened so that we can run it along the bottom or run it up the top over there, run some conduit down. Now, let's go pick up our new project. We've arrived at the spot where the project is. Always interesting when you rock up at a place and there's no sign of it at all. Just a bunch of buses. And we're going down to a shed at the back. There it is, the little blue beast all the way at the end over there. The new project. Let's check it out. How are you, buddy? Hey, good. Please introduce yourself.
My name's Andrew Wilton, and I'm getting rid of a car.
How are you, man? Yeah, good. So this is it.
The grass has grown a little bit long over the holidays.
Jeez, Logan. How long has she been sitting around for?
Oh, well, it hasn't been sitting here for long, but I blew it up in 2016.
2016? Yeah. So it hasn't run since 2016. Far out.
But we're sitting in the shed up there, which has got all the other bits and pieces in it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Cool, man.
I remember where the key is. I thought I had the ignition, but...
No key in there.
I've got a spare key, but that's not the point. Anyway, I'll find it.
Where's the gearbox and all that stuff?
Up in the shed.
Up at the shed?
Yeah. I don't know whether it's easier to put car in trailer first or parts in trailer first.
Parts in the back of the ute?
Yeah, cool.
Because I'm kind of thinking of just leaving the car in the trailer for a few days.
Do you want to come and have a look and see what parts we've got and what's like how they're laid out?
Yeah, cool.
Where you want to put them?
Too easy.
I like the trailer.
Yeah, it's not bad though. Apart from the fact that the roof is not that great. No, the roof is just a single sheet of aluminium.
Yeah, right.
So it warps, and what it's doing is it's collecting water water at the top. And if you have a look on, you see on the side of it, you got
all the water running down.
Those runs.
Yeah. This is where the car's been sitting for like 2 years in this shed here until recently. What have we got? So, all headlights, radiator, all that all here.
Far out.
Yeah.
I've just cleaned up my house.
Yeah.
I'm going to make it a mess now.
Gearbox is there, that's probably the most important bit.
Oh, I was thinking to myself, man, it's a shame that you removed that damn gearbox.
Yeah, I know.
Because you really don't need to. That's fine, I'll just put it all in one unit again.
I've never pulled an engine out of a car before, I've never put an engine in a car before.
Yeah.
But it was literally what I would call quite simple.
Yeah.
Like, it was really quite easy.
I've done engine out of the WRX, I've done engine out of the 86, and I've kept the box in the car. The only problem with it is the locating dowels at the bottom, the studs that actually sit inside there.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are horrible.
It does need a clutch, which I knew, so I thought I'll do that while it's out and all that.
Did you get a clutch for it already?
Nah.
Or not? No, okay, so I gotta get a clutch. Alright, well look, I think probably best to put all the stuff in the back of the ute before we load the car in the trailer.
Yeah, I think that's probably easier.
Alright, cool. It made my project a nice long one now. I thought I was just going to chuck a motor in it and go driving.
My plan when I was pulling it apart was full-blown race car when it goes back together. Like, right, we'll start the race car bit now.
Yeah.
And then didn't.
Yeah, oh, it's still got plates on it as well.
Yeah, well, it was still registered for 6 months after I pulled it up. You wouldn't even worry about handing them back in. It's been unregistered for that long now. They'd just be like, oh, they're gone.
That front bumper had like a piece missing out of the bottom, didn't it?
It's got a crack on the bottom one side of it, yeah.
The 3B garage is breaking one in the same colour, so I quickly stole the front bar off that.
Nice.
I remember seeing it in the picture, so
Yeah.
I'll sort that. So leave the trailer where it is or somewhere else?
I reckon leave the trailer where it is.
Okay.
And I'll go get the specs, we won't be able to steer it without the keys.
Yeah, that's true. What have I done? Thanks, Andrew. Appreciate the help and keeping the car for me and waiting for me to be ready to take it. Let's get it home and let's start pulling everything apart and see where we're at, see what we need to do. We'll see you back at the house. Well, that's it for another episode of Skid Happens. We're so excited to get started on this WRX and show you every piece that we do on it from the beginning to the end, including the first thing, which is getting this car clean because it is filthy. We've got loads of parts for the car. We got parts here, we got parts here, we got parts here, we got parts here, and we've got parts here. And we'll go through everything that we're going to do on the car in our next episode. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with all the videos that we release, and we will keep on releasing videos regularly as we are at the moment, as long as you guys keep on watching and enjoying it. Be sure to check out our website at skidcontrol.com.au, Facebook us Skid Control, Instagram skid_control, and we'll see you at the track.